Hi there, I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. This is called Tiny Audiences Income System. And they start by saying, stop waiting for a massive list. Your small, very targeted list you have right now is enough to start making you money. You're going to make more money from 100 people who are really interested in what you've got going on than you are in 10,000 people that are just randomly scrolling by. And this is a $7 course. So you're going to love that. The link is in the video description. It'll take you to my site at marketingsharks.com. There's a bit of a description. There is of the modules that's included, then the upgrade offers, and you can click the product box at the top or the link at the bottom, and you're at this page we're at right here. Let's take a look inside here. As they say, you just need the right system. So here's Tiny Audience Income System. I'm just going to scroll through a bit of this. Step-by-step training showing you how to make money. So here you go. Tiny audiences win. Finding offers that buyers want. So your particular group. Building trust through bonuses. They're the mechanism that turns a fence sitter into a buyer. How to build bonuses that tip the decision in your favor. Launching your first buyer campaign. The whole walkthrough how to do it. No missing steps. Turning one buyer into momentum. The first sale is just the beginning. And the momentum builds on itself, so every campaign gets easier than the last. Here we go. Start with what you have. Every step is practical. Bonuses do the heavy lifting. One buyer creates the next. It works in any niche. How about, and yeah, you can use this and away you go. No, I don't want to, that's what I want to see. Here you go. $7, like I said. Everything you're getting, Tiny Audience Income System, why they win, finding offers, bonuses, buyer campaign, momentum, and the whole 9 yards. So there you go. You click the link in the video description. It'll take you to my site at marketingsharks.com. Then you click either the product box or the link at the bottom, and you're at this page. Scroll down. You can buy it for $7 as we speak right now. How to make money with tiny audiences. The Tiny Audiences Income System, fresh out today. The bonuses are listed. The modules are listed at my site. Click the link in the video description and go check out Tiny Audiences Income System. Oh, I can feel my nose. I'm still fighting a cold. Doesn't matter. Click the link. Go check it out. You're going to love it for $7. Tiny Audiences Income System. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. Enjoy.